So hey, what's up guys?
तुम्हें शर्म है कुछ?
Yeah guys, I know, very sorry. Yes, it's been almost 7 days I'm not uploading a video. So yeah, finally I'm back now. So anyway guys, as you have seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create a Beyblade Prong. Yeah guys, many of you really requested me to show a tutorial. First of all, you need a bottle cap like this one. Then you need a tape like this, especially white color tape. Then you need a cutter, which we will use to make the Beyblade Prong. So anyway guys, so you just need these 3 items guys. So first of all, here's the bottle cap. So this is actually a Coca-Cola bottle cap, you might know about it. Okay, anyway, so okay, let's just quickly make the prong guys. Let me show you the full tutorial. And I hope after watching this video, you will be able to make your own Beyblade Prong. Because to be honest guys, I really have many right spinning metal fight Beyblade launcher, but I don't have a single left spinning launcher. Only I just got one from the Me Too El Drago Beyblade. I really have only one left spinning launcher, which is almost broken guys. So yeah, I really need to make a left spinning Beyblade Prong, which I will use to launch the metal El Drago Beyblades, you know. So anyway, so let me just quickly show you the process. So first of all, you just have to attach the tape like this way, then just cut it out. There we go. Okay, here's the design guys, as you can see. Yeah, I know I'm not that much great in designing, but still it's almost accurate, and I hope after cutting it will look actually fully accurate like this one, like the hook which you can see on the launcher. Here we go guys. So yeah, the 2 sides of the bottle cap is done. So yeah, it's really going to be a left spinning prong, as you can see. Okay, I don't want to do any mistake while doing this.
What?
Okay. And yeah guys, while doing the cuts, make sure to use a sharper cutter, otherwise it will not look that much great. And you can clearly see I'm actually using a brand new blade. So yeah, you really need to use a very sharp cutter, which will actually cut the bottle cap very properly, like this one, as you can see. Okay, now let's just cut out the extra plastic from the bottle cap. Don't need the extra parts. Okay, here we go guys. Wow, so look at the prong guys, the 2 hooks. Okay, let's just quickly take out the tapes. So I have no idea guys how much accurate it is, but yeah, I really tried my best, and I hope it will definitely lock with the bay. So let's just quickly do a small test. And yeah, okay, so here you go. I also have cut it.
What?
Cut. And yes, if you keep a good look, you can clearly see the prongs of the bottle cap and also the prongs of the launcher. You can clearly see both are actually fully same and accurate size. So yeah, make sure to use a bottle cap like this one, Coca-Cola. And yeah guys, this is not actually that much necessary or important to do, but yeah, if you really have a soldering iron to so try to do this like I'm doing right now in the video. Okay. Okay guys, our prong is now fully ready, as you can see, but still guys, we are not done yet, because now you need a broken launcher like this one, or you can use any metal fight launcher if you have like this guys. You just need the prong part. So let's just quickly take it out from the launcher. Ouch. So yeah, this is what we need guys, and also this one, but still we need to trim out the extra parts. So here we have our cutter, and yeah guys, be very careful because this plastic is very solid. So yeah, not so easy to cut, but yeah, really need to smooth the upper part of the prong. Make sure to stick it very properly at the center. Don't mess it up, and I also don't want to mess myself also while sticking this. And here we go. Guys, here you have my Beyblade left spinning launcher, modified DB metal bay launcher, and you can clearly see the left spinning prong guys, it's fully broken, but still I managed to use this many times using super glue. There we go. So let's just quickly place it. Our new die left spinning Beyblade Prong. I have no idea guys, will it actually work properly or not. I hope it actually will work same like the real one. Here we go guys, here we have our new homemade Beyblade Prong left spinning. Okay guys, now it's time to see the real truth. Let's see if it locks with the Beyblade or not. And here we go. Wow, so here it is guys, just look at that. So yeah, I know Cosmic Pegasus is the right spinning Beyblade, but still you can also lock this Beyblade with left spinning launcher, and you can clearly see guys, it's actually locking very properly with the Beyblade. But let's see the final reveal. Will it launch from this launcher or not? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. And yeah guys, it's working very well. Wow, not bad. Let's do a proper launch. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. And wow guys, just wow, this is actually working very properly like real Beyblade Prong. Okay, here we go. Modified El Drago versus Cosmic Pegasus. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Oh, sick. Yo, wow guys. But yeah, while launching, the prong actually broke off, as you can see. So yeah, I will do something later to stick this properly with the launcher. But still guys, it's really amazing to see that this prong is actually working very properly like a real one. And let's see who wins, homemade Beyblade Prong or the real one. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And you.